Welcome to my channel. It's me, Joni, and in this video, mag-unbox ako something big, and as you can see, there is HP, and this is the printer. Yes, it is a printer that is ideal for students and also for home office. So keep on watching this video as I unbox this and show you the demo on how to use it. For a quick look lang, this one prints A+ quality. So, it also connects wirelessly. Pero yung gamit niya is cartridge ink. So, this is DeskJet. Hindi siya yung continuous ink. So, it can print up to 150 pages. Sa mga contents niya, andito yung mga cables niya. So, merong dalawa. So, ito, power outlet. Ito, pwede ikabit sa laptop mo. And then, we have here the instructions or the manual. Yan. So, basahin mo lang yan. And there are instructions how to change the ink and replace it. And then what else is in the box? So ito na yung printer itself. And here's the printer itself. Diba? Maliit lang siya, guys. So I'll take it out first. Here is another instructions, yung meron na siyang graphic may graphic instructions na siya. So just follow these steps. Ito yung pag-change ng ink and other operations here, like feeding and stuff. Yan. So just step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Actually, yung ink niya nakabit na dun sa store na pinagbilan ko. So, I bought this in Octagon City sa SM, and pinabili sa akin tong printer na to. So, it is priced at 4,900 pesos lang. O, diba? Very affordable siya. At marami ka na din mapiprint as a student. Diba? So, it is very ideal then, not only for students, but also for the whole family as well. Yan. Ito, sobrang cute niya, liit lang niya, guys. Yan. So, I need to connect this first on the power outlet. To start with, so, let's power it on. So, i-press mo lang yung button na to. Yan. And, makikita mo, nagbi-blink siya here. Yes. Over there. Yan. The white light. And then, makikita mo rin here, it's not so bright, pero may display siya, yan, oh. Nakalagay 0. So, and kung makikita ka pa, may parang battery bar. So, here, yeah. So, here, like, there's a battery bar, so, it means full yung cartridge niya or yung ink niya. So, this one's for the black and this one's for the colored. And ito din, umiilaw siya. So, it means it is turned on. So, also here, also there, meron din siyang yan sa feeder and sa Wi-Fi niya. So, yan. So, it means it's working properly. So, ito pala, yung may slider dito, nagprint ka dito, lalabas yung bond paper yun, or yung document na print mo. On this side, you need to place here yung bond paper. So, may sizes siya. Ayan, for the long, for the short. So, dyan mo siya ilalagay. O, sige, maglagay tayo ng bond paper. There you go. And you can try print, scan, and web. So, try muna nating mag-scan. In scanning is, kailangan ganito yung position niya. So, you put it here on the edge. Even, dapat align yung bond paper tsaka yung scan. So, yun yan, naka-up face siya. So, mamimili ka na lang kung anong ink, either colored or black. So, in this case, yeah, try natin yung colored. Okay, press ko lang to. Yan, hold it down. Hanggang ma-scan siya. And then, yan. Wait mo na siya ma-print. Isn't it amazing? Or don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Just wait for it to print. Diba? Easy peasy. So, like and subscribe. There you go. So, ito yung in-scan. This is the printed document. Pero meron lang siyang ink dito kasi syempre nag-print. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-print for the first time. So, next, ang ipapakita ko naman ay kung paano yung wireless. So, when you want to print in black, just press and hold down this button. Ito. Okay, ito usually daw, sabi doon sa Octagon, hindi na masyadong ginagalaw to. So, makita mo lang yung indicator on Wi-Fi na nagbi-blink siya or wireless connection. So, you can print using your phone. So, papakita ko sa inyo. When it comes to sa phone, dapat meron kang document dito na save as a picture. So, pero you need to connect your phone first wirelessly. Wait. Yeah. So, go to settings. Then, go to Wi-Fi. Yan. If you see this one sa networks, yung HP setup 30 DeskJet 3700, yan. Diyan ka mag-connect. There you go. And when it is already connected, you can already print your document that is saved in your albums or gallery. So, there. Ito ang gusto kong i-print. So, since it is already connected, yan. Just, kasi I'm using iPhone or iOS. Malalaman mo na connected na yan. Nakalagay naman may check dyan. So, pwede ka na mag-print. So, open your albums. And here, yan. You can see, ito yung pinicturan ko document na gusto kong i-print. So, just press this one and scroll down the options. Ayun. Pag nakita mo tong print, yan, just press that one. And select the printer. HP DeskJet 3700 series. And kung ilang copy, kung black and white ba siya, in default, color nakalagay, then, kasi automatic na re-recognize niya. Pero, pwede mo naman gawing black and white. Kunwari, black and white lang. Yan. It's your option. So, pwede din colored. Maganda ang colored, no? Okay. Pero, try natin kaya both. Sige. I'll print in colored muna. So, the paper is default A4. Pero, pwede din siya sa short. Pwede din sa long. Okay? Let's print now yung colored. That is direct from our phone. Oh, preparing. So, yan. So, the connection of this one is via Wi-Fi. And let's wait for it. By the way, ganyan pala, para siyang ano, no, parang colored. Pwede mo naman siyang i-cancel. So, if you want to cancel, just press this one. Yan. Kasi baka aksaya sa ink eh. So, let's print another document. Yung text lang. Okay. Maghahanap ako dito sa... Yes. Wait lang ha. Sa notes. So here sa kasi nga aksayado to sa ink. So let's just print the text, no. So this one I was able to print an colored image direct from my phone. Kasi yan pinutol ko na lang siya eh. So this yan, kasi para hindi aksayado sa ink. So, now I'm going to just print a black text. So, I'm going to notes. So, ito yan. So, this one is a sample. You just screenshot it. And then, automatically, it can go to your albums gallery. So, here. Yeah. So, there. Ayan, ang gusto kong i-print. So, we will print this in black. So go to find go find print over here. Yan, and then highlight black and white. So yun ang mapiprint niya. So standard is A4 also. So let's try this kasi mas matipid sa ink, di ba? Lalo na if you're printing text lang, choose black and white. But if you're printing an image, you can choose color. Parang ito, pinutol ko na lang. So, let's now print black. And then, if you're ready to print it, just press print on your cell phone. And then, it is now preparing and it will automatically print the document. So, there. Pag black, mabilis mag-print. Yeah. So, there. Oh, very clear. So, ayan yung unbox, the details about my video. So, ayan, the difference, yung colored and the blank ink. O, diba? It is really amazing. I am amazed by this printer. Sobrang dali lang niyang gamitin, guys. And very good siya. Lalo na pag may homework, may projects sa school. And also in printing documents and also text. Yan. Very good and idea sa family talaga to. It is a family printer. Yan. Yung ink pala niya, guys, yung ink pala niya, guys, it can cost, yung sa black, sabi, nasa 500, and sa color, siguro medyo mahal ng konti. Pero, okay na din yun, kasi yung continuous ink, mas mahal pa eh, kasi yun talaga, marami. Marami ka mapiprint doon, thousands of pages, or hundreds. Or usually thousands, pero okay na din to kasi yan. But so if hindi mo na siya gagamitin, yan, liquitin mo na siya, tanggalin mo na to. Ayan. Balik mo na siya sa dati. So it's very easy na ligpitin na. Ayan. And you just need to turn it off. Just press this button. So yan, naka-turn off na siya. Wala na yung blinking light. So there you have it. I'm glad na napakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin itong HP DeskJet Ink Advantage na printer. It's so easy to use, right? Kung naghahanap kayo ng ganitong all-in-one printer, maraming ganito sa Octagon City sa SM. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next unboxing videos and product review. This is a good printer talaga. So, do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Enjoy also printing when you have your printer with this HP DeskJet.